Many English learners sound nervous and unnatural when ordering coffee. They often speak like they are taking a grammar test instead of having a real conversation. But in real life, Americans keep it simple, friendly, and relaxed. In this lesson, you will listen to a real American-style conversation in a coffee shop. You will also learn the phrases, the tone, and the natural flow Americans use every day. So listen carefully and imagine you are standing inside a busy cafe in the United States.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a medium iced latte, please?
Sure thing. Would you like whole milk, almond milk, or oat milk?
Oat milk, please. And could you make it a little less sweet?
Of course. Any extra shots of espresso?
No, just the regular one.
All right. Anything else for you today?
Yeah, I'll also take a blueberry muffin.
You got it. That'll be $8.20.
Here you go.
You can just tap your card right here.
Perfect, thanks.
No problem. Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
Sounds good. I'll wait over there. Let's pause for a moment and break down this conversation. Notice how the customer starts with a friendly greeting, not just the order. "How's it going?" is a very natural way to begin. Instead of sounding direct or demanding, the customer says, "Can I get a medium iced latte, please?" This sounds polite, relaxed, and very American. You also hear several very common expressions such as, "What can I get for you today?" This is the standard question baristas use in the US. You can tap your card right here. This simply means you can pay using a contactless card. That'll be $8.20. This means this is your total price. These are small details, but they make your English sound real and natural. Now, let's listen to another version of the same situation, but more casual and even more American.
Hey, could I grab a large hot cappuccino?
Sure. Want it regular or with an extra shot?
Let's go with regular. And can you make it not too sweet?
No problem. Any flavor syrup today?
Vanilla would be great.
All right. Anything to eat?
No, I'm good for now.
Okay, your total comes to $6.75.
Cool, here's my card.
Just tap it when you're ready.
Awesome, thanks a lot.
We'll call your name when it's ready.
Perfect. You'll notice in the second conversation, the tone is even more relaxed. Words like, "Hey," "cool," and "awesome" are extremely common in American daily speech. Americans often shorten sentences and soften their tone. They prefer friendly and natural speech over perfect grammar. Now it's time for you to practice. Repeat these sentences out loud after you hear them. Pause the video if needed. "Can I get a medium iced latte, please?" "Could you make it less sweet?" "That's all. Thank you." You can tap your card right here. I'll wait over there. Say them slowly and clearly, just like a native speaker. "Excuse me, how long will it take?" "Just about 3 to 5 minutes." "No rush, thank you." "We'll call your name shortly." "Great, I appreciate it." This is exactly how real conversations happen in American coffee shops. They are polite, simple, and friendly. No complicated grammar, no robotic tone, just natural communication. If you practice these patterns every day, your English will start to feel more fluent and confident. If you want to speak real American English naturally, make sure to keep practicing with real-life conversations like this one. Subscribe for more everyday American English and learn how people really talk in the United States.